Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve question number 3 of chapter number 6 exercise. Question number 3 is fill in the blanks. The first statement is the layer of the soil which contains most humus is known as dash. Basically the topmost layer of the soil or the upper layer of the soil is fertile because it contains lots of humus, and this layer of the soil is topsoil. The second statement is the soil which is composed of medium sized particles and feels smooth is called silt soil, because the silt particles are smaller than the sand particles but larger than the clay particles. That's why their particles are medium sized particles. The layer of the soil which is below the topsoil is known as the subsoil. Subsoil is a second layer of the soil and it contains less humus as compared to the topsoil. Statement number 4. The soil which contains the largest particles and feels rough when rubbed is called sand soil. Basically, the sand particles are larger in size and their particles feel gritty and coarse, means they feel rough when touch or press them between our fingers. Statement number 5. The soil which can be molded into different shapes and can maintain these shapes after drying is known as clay. Because clay particles are smaller than the silt and sand particles and the spaces between the clay particles are so small, that's why they retain lots of water and very sticky. That's why it can be molded into different shapes. The soil which stick together when wet but does not hold its shape after drying is known as silt soil. Silt particles are smaller than sand particles and retain water and stick together when wet but does not hold its shape after drying like clay soil. Soil supports plants by holding their roots firmly. Now you will be solve these given blanks by yourself. Thank you for listening.